All right, well, the United States has finished efforts to recover the remnants of the large balloon that was shot down off the coast of South Carolina. Officials say analysis so far reinforces the conclusion that it was used by the Chinese to spy. All of this drama in American airspace certainly bringing defense stocks to the forefront, and our closer has an ETF that covers all of those bases. Blanke Schein, Chief Investment Officer Robert Schein, joins us now. Hi, Robert. How are you? And let's talk about this ETF that you like, because obviously defense, in particular this week, has been in the spotlight with all of the news.
So with the ETF that we like, the Invesco Aerospace and Defense, it gives you a broad-based approach to diversifying into the aerospace and defense sector. I mean, you have over 50 names. And if you just look at any of the headlines that we've seen over the last week and a half, or even year, with war in Ukraine to balloons everywhere, most investors don't have exposure to defense in their portfolios. And this is a great way of adding that to your portfolio while watching the headlines and sort of at least playing along and putting some defensive positioning in your portfolio.
You also like Freeport-McMoRan. That's the copper play that you like. I wanted to get to that one as well. And then you've got ExxonMobil as well. Talk to me about those two.
So with Freeport, I mean, if you look at the electrification of everything globally, you just had a segment on a few minutes ago about EV boats. And so copper's in everything. The management's disciplined and focused. And you got some global wins right behind it to support copper for quite some time. So if you want to play that, Freeport-McMoRan is the way to do that, as well as Exxon. If you look at China's reopening, and so they're going to support, even though oil is down today, long-term oil, we believe, is going to continue to rise. Number one of the most profitable companies in the United States. Exxon just announced a $35 billion buyback through now in 2024. That'll support the stock. So thematically, most people don't own a lot of defense or industrials. This is a way to add trim to your portfolio and rebalance and take advantage of when markets are up to add to sectors that you most likely don't have.
Well, I mean, ExxonMobil's profits and that earnings report in particular was a big jaw dropper. I actually broke that news on our morning show, and it was something else to watch that stock fly. Thank you very much, Robert. It's good to see you. All right, Robert Schein is with us. Well,